Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Refrigerators with a bottom freezer use a rail system that allows the freezer door to slide in and out smoothly. When repairing the freezer components, you'll need to remove the back cover. This is only possible once you've removed the door and rail system. In this episode, I'll show you how. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. Close the shutoff valve to turn off the water supply. In this case, you can work on the refrigerator in place with it still against the wall. First, remove the bottom basket. In some models, this might be held in by screws. The door will likely be attached with 4 mounting screws. Loosen the screws part way. Now lift up and pull backwards to separate the door. The rails will be locked in place by 2 tabs. Release the tabs on both sides. Now pull out the rail assembly. Remove any inserts or loose shelf organizers. The upper basket sits on the top rail. Using a flat blade screwdriver, release the tabs. The gear should lift up slightly. Now release the other side. Next, remove the mounting screws. Pull the basket forward. Now lift up on the stopper and slide the basket out. First, disconnect the wires. Loosen or remove the mounting screws. Now simply lift up to remove the ice maker. To access the evaporator coils and defrost components, you'll have to remove the back cover. If needed, remove any small covers, like those for the fan. Now remove the mounting screws. Next, lift up on the cover and slide it out. Now that you have access to the freezer components, you can test and replace any parts. For more information, watch the troubleshooting videos linked below. Align the cover. If needed, reconnect the wire harness. Now tighten the screws. Finally, replace any of the small covers. To install the ice maker, first slide it onto the mount. Now tighten the screws. Next, reconnect the wire harness. Lift up on the stopper. Now align the basket. Next, push down on the wheel assembly to lock the gear into position. Now slide the basket into place. Now tighten the mounting screws on each of the stoppers. Finally, replace any inserts or loose shelf organizers. Simply align the rail and push it forward. You should hear the tabs snap as they lock the rail into place. Extend the rails all the way. Now align the slots on the door over the mounting screws. Next, tighten the screws. Finally, replace any of the baskets or shelf organizers. Open the shutoff valve. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.